Hey guys, today I'm going to be installing some bonnet struts for the first time. I've never done this before, so it should be, in theory, really easy. But we're going to basically go as we feel like and troubleshoot along the way. So first off, what we need to do is undo these bolts here. So this one is a 10mm. That's tightening it. Let's throw it this way. Right. Finger tight now. Cool. So that's out. Next up, we put this in. This comes with a little sticky patch. I don't know how well you can see that. We put that down there. Yeah, let's go there. Just do it like that. And then we put that bolt back in. Without cross-threading it. Right, I'll do. So nice and tight. Next up is the one on the bonnet, but that is a 12mm. I'm a little bit nervous about this one, but we'll see how it goes. This one in theory should just go there like that. As soon as I put the bolt down, I instantly lost it. Put that back in. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Right, so I'm going to start on the bonnet side this time, just because I've got the 12mm already installed. Feels pretty loose. Is that loose? Okay. So, same again, just let that in there and use the bolt that's already there to kind of screw in. Yeah, that one slide in much nicer then. And then you go to this bottom one, which is left. Came off nice and easy. Then just got that little bit of paper, comes off very easily. I'll pop that. But there, stick it down. Again, it's just this little clip here which needs to come out. It's a bit fiddly, but it comes out pretty easy. Slot it in, and then pop that little bit back in. Never goes as smoothly as it should, does it? Come on. There we go, that's why. So, note to self, you've got to get that little ball to click in rather. Can't speak. Do that one. What's that? That click straight in. And then right underneath. So you got a fantastic shot of the back of my head. And there you go. One bonnet strut installed. So yeah, there you go. There it is with the bonnet struts installed. Bonnet up. We're just going to give it a quick close. Problem. So there we go, there it is with the bonnet up. I did make one small mistake in that video, and I'll show it to you now. Originally I put the base just attached to this bolt here. That meant that the hydraulics didn't have enough space to kind of come down, so it actually connects just a little bit further back, like so, and same on the other side. But this is why we do these things. So if I lower the bonnet, hopefully this time, look at that. Not that massive crack. It does go all the way down. I just don't want to. And yeah. Ta-da! Thanks for watching, guys.